Hi, I'm Mike Gubby. In this video, we're measuring for inside mount roller blinds. Now, to install an inside mount roller blind, we have to fit two brackets. This bracket is 50 millimeters wide and it's 65 millimeters from top to bottom. And those brackets come in two forms, a male and a female bracket. So one bracket needs to sit inside the recess like that. And then the other bracket, the female bracket, needs to sit inside the recess, just like that there. So what we need to determine an inside mount blind will fit is 60 millimeters of clearance all the way from one bracket through to the other bracket, which you can see I've got here in this video. So Netta, if you can hold the tape measure for me, just on this side here, and if you put that just inside that recess there, in order to measure our width, what I like to do is come over the top of the recess, and I like to stand right in front of the tape measure, and I can see that that size is 1200 millimeters in width from the left to the right hand side. When it comes to measuring the height of our window here, just going to fit our tape measure inside the recess, and I'm going to measure our height, and I can see that that height is 2050 millimeters from top to bottom. So that's how easy it is, thanks Netta, to measure for an inside mount roller blind.